right, salud, mi gente, guys. We at the AHR. We at the DeWALT booth. First, gotta have a little drink. So, gotta feel good, baby, because we got these beautiful tools right here. It looks like a big bumblebee, but it's DeWALT. So, my man, was it Collin? Collin. My man Collin's gonna demonstrate us what we have here. All these beautiful goodies. Listen, I got one. If you got a loose tooth, I can extract your tooth with one of these bad boys. Listen, and it's free or way cheaper than the dentist around your way. So, Collin, show me what's going on over here.
Cash only. All right, Louis. So I'm going to talk us through a couple different platforms we got here. First off, we're going to talk about our cut, prep, and connect initiative, right?
Okay.
We're going to take our soft copper. I got a nice little stick of 3/8 copper here. We're going to cut that material. Then we're going to deburr it, ream it out, make it all nice and pretty. And then we're going to make a solid press connection.
Oh, all right.
Right?
So right now we're cutting.
Cutting.
We're cutting.
Followed by prepping, connecting. Keep in mind, too, I'm going to be doing this all on a 20-volt battery. So if I only go out to the job site with one battery, but I got 3 tools, I'm ready to rock it no matter what.
Can you cut your toenails with this?
I don't know, man. I got 12s. You tell me.
All right, let's do
I'm
it.
going to pop this in here.
Woo, let's go.
Let's get in here correctly.
All right, guys, we're going to do magic. You ready? Ready? Let's go.
All right, simple, quick cut.
Oh, that's my job, baby. Look at that shit.
I don't know how long that took. Now we're going to come back, right? What do we do after we cut?
We got to ream.
We got to ream it. So I'm going to hit the
That's
inner.
right.
I'm going to hit the inner there. Easy peasy, right?
Easy pleasy, man.
And do the outer. Rotate it around. Ready to go.
Throw the fan.
And then we're going to do it one more time just for good measure.
All right.
So we're going to get my little guy in here. Inner diameter.
All right.
Does it look real quick?
I don't know. How's it look, guys? Looks good? Come on, we need some minute here, guys. Come on, wake up. We get some coffee or something. Come on. Let's go.
All right.
Oh, yeah, let me show. My man want to see over there.
Bring it over there.
Yeah, this look good to you? That looks good to you?
Oh, nice.
Beautiful. Let's go.
All right, Lou, so what do? We cut.
Cut.
We prepped. And now the last step, we got to connect it, right?
Oh, here we go.
Pop it in our tool.
Woo!
Be good to go.
That's what I'm talking about. You want to make money, guys? You got to invest in yourself. You want to make money in this day and age? You got to invest in DeWALT tools because this is where it's at. Because I'm going to tell you guys, it makes life so much easier. So if you have a little extra money in your pocket, tell your wife, listen, babe, we're not going to eat dinner this weekend because I'm going to buy myself this beautiful tool and we're going to make money. And now I'm going to take you to the best restaurant in town. And you're going to thank me. Say the HVAC Papi told you so.
All right, Louis, do me a favor. Press that green button.
Oh, right here?
Yes, sir.
Woo!
Give it a little bit.
Hey. Okay.
Now pull it up.
Pull up?
Pull up. Let go of the green button. Come on.
All right.
All right, so we got
Where do they go?
We got our grabo lifter on here on our DeWALT storage system, right? This is plastic material. You think this will connect to anything else?
I don't know.
Let's go over here.
Let's try. Shit, this guy's making me do pull-ups, man. He's making me work.
Right over here.
Oh, okay.
Where do you like it? You want to do one?
Right there, wherever you want. Don't make it too high. I'm short.
Go ahead.
I need a step stool. Let's go. Hold up.
Go for it.
I think it works.
All right, so we're going to pop it off too. Green and red. All right, ready to rock. I won't tell you not to.
So, guys, what do you guys think about this thing? What do you think? You think it's cool? You think it's... I don't know. What can we use this tool for? I mean, is it tiles?
Tiles, glass. If you're an electrician, the panel boxes, whatever plastic. Hey, you got to move your fridge up. Pull that. Cabinet setting. Anything along those lines.
Oh, all right.
You do? Have you even seen people get clever, right? They're sticking this to the wall of their drywall. They put a laser level on it, strap it all together, and then they can hang anything.
I got a great one. Listen, if your wives are talking too much, you put this right here. Babe, hold on.
I don't think mine would appreciate that, but.
Hey, the good thing is you can always let go, but if she continues, you press it right here.
265, that's what it can hold for one. Doubles by 2, doubles by 3, doubles by 4, on and on.
This, right? If I'm doing an installation in the attic, right?
Okay.
And I put a piece of sheet metal in the attic.
Sure.
No, come on.
Sheet metal in the attic, right?
All right.
And I put this up, and I hook my winch onto the ear to pull the furnace up. You think
You
hold?
can even have
Oh, I like
straps
that. I
on
didn't
it.
even think about that.
Come on, man.
Yo, very intelligente, this guy. Very intelligente.
So you even got hooks on here too. So if you got to get ratchets in here, anything like that, you can put 2 hooks on that. Bring it up that way too.
I didn't even think about that.
Super long, anything like that.
They
Get
usually
your forks
use
under it.
chains.
Yeah.
Yep. Correct.
I like that. I didn't even think about that.
Screw the fucking
Bro, I love this. Yo, we got so many good, intelligent people here in AHR, especially here at the DeWALT booth. So I got to give a big shout out to my man over here. Tell everybody where you're from, who you are over here, Eduardo. Out of who?
Temecula.
Temecula?
Yeah.
Damn, I never heard of Temecula. That's such a thing as they
Wine country.
That's where? My country.
Wine country.
Oh, Temecula. What is it?
Temecula.
Temecula. That's where I'm at. I love. Big shout out to other people. Temecula. That's right. I love wine and I love Temecula because I like my man over here, Eddie, Eduardo. Hey, brother, thank you for that great idea. There were so many people out here like, yo, you weren't smart, but you're the smart guy. Like, we gotta follow you.
Put him on the payroll.
That's right. Collin, how do they find you?
Dude, we're here at the DeWALT booth. We're at AHR 316, SL 316 booth. We're here till Thursday. We're out of Baltimore, Maryland, so we're an American local company.
All right. Everybody knows me as the Wepa Man. Count of three, Wepa. 1, 2, 3, Wepa!
Wepa for the HVAC Papi, Luis Medina.
It's Louis the Boiler Man, and I am your Boiler Man. Wepa.
Welcome, mi gente. Welcome.
I'm the Boiler Man. That's what I am. And I'm here to fix whatever I can. If you're getting cold and you're feeling blue, call New York Boiler and I'll be there for you. I wanna heat you, I wanna please you, I wanna fix that boiler all for you. Man, that's what I am. And I'm here to fix whatever I can. If you're getting cold and you're feeling blue, oh, I'm the Boiler Man. Oh, I'm the Boiler Man. Louis. Fuego, fuego, llama New York Caldero. Fuego, fuego, llama New York Caldero. New York Boiler en general va a poner tu casa a enfriar cuando hace calor afuera. El aire no vas a parar. Fuego, fuego, llama New York Caldero. Fuego, fuego, llama New York Caldero. Oh, I'm the Boiler Man. Louis.
Small.
I love you.